Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I got one more formatting video for you, and this time we are going to format the matrix visual. Before jumping into that, please check out my other videos on my channel. It will definitely help you to upgrade your Power BI skills. Now let's come back to the formatting. So let's say we have something like this segment versus product and its sales price. And something we have feature in our Excel is like in the tabular format that we can structure. But in Power BI, it directly doesn't come with the default setting, and hence we might need to end up doing some kind of an modification onto the top of that. So what are those? Let's see. So the first thing, like if you see, we want something like on a tabular structure like this. We might see also that in every row, we might need to see the furniture should be repeated in every row. Office supplies may be required. So for that, you can use the table view, but still, if you required in the matrix visual, it's still possible. So first thing that we have to go here in the layout section. In layout section, we have different kind of the default settings. That is, you can take it as like, let's say, default style, compact, indentation. So all of these are actually can be helpful in formatting stuffs. So let's see what are, let's test out one by one. What are this? So if I select, let's say, tabular view. So if you see in tabular view, we have this thing, which is quite similar to the Excel view pivot tables. We have it similarly. Now let us assume that we want to repeat the row headers here. So we just need to turn on this particular repeat the row headers. Now one more interesting layout feature that we have here is like if you see outline is there also. So let us say if I select outline, what does it actually, like if you see the total comes at the top. So it indirectly says that first look into the total, then look into the breakup of with respect to the any category or segments or whatever the fields that you have taken into the consideration in the visual. So this is the major difference between the tabular and the outline. I would still prefer to go with the tabular view. If depends on use case to use case that you can use it. Now the second formatting structure that we can also employ as in like for let's say we have options in column header, we have auto size, which is something that we can also leverage and try to play around that. And what are those actually? Let's see here. Uh, Here we have, let's say, fit to content has been selected at default. But what if, let's say, if you want to have something else, grow to fit. So if you see, it has been selected and it has came at the end. So if I just elongate this string, it will always going to fix the auto width of these things, and you will never see a scroll bar in the below. So that is the one advantage of having this thing. But this is majorly comes handy when you have some kind of a textual feature, because what happens in text, they have a long sentences, so that might in that way fit to grow can help you. Then let's say if you have something like sales price and you want to use the fit to grow, then if you see the alignment looks bit odd, so you can go into row header, column and other things to just make it as a center alignment. So this is what you can use. The second way of like in terms of spacing that you can use. The last thing that I wanted to touch base on is the different kind of styles that we have. So if you see, there are multiple style formats have been given. So we can use none. This is more of a plain select kind of a thing. Then you have a minimal, which looks better in terms of readability, if I say. Then you have bold headers where you want to focus on the headers rather than the values, that what are the things do you have. Alternate rows we have. Then the contrast, something it looks bit odd sometimes, but it all depends on the use case by use case. Like whether then there is we want to focus specifically on the values and the innermost projection. Then this helps a lot. So this kind of different formatting options that you have available in the different style format. I personally go with the minimal. It looks more clean. Do let me know in the comment section which style format do you prefer and why exactly, because the why reason is the most important here. So hope you are able to follow till this point. Then please like this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you for Power Me. Thank you for following me. Thanks for Thank you so much.